In the heart of Bundung BoHole, Carnival Municipality, the Gambia, lies the One Loaf Community Bakery, a project dedicated to train young people in both traditional and modern baking. Beyond the skills development, the bakery provides healthier and affordable bread for the community. In our quest to learn more, we had an insightful interview with Amadou O Jallow, the founder of One Loaf Community Bakery, and Elise Baker, trained from Naka.
So my name is Amadou O Jallow, or a baker Amadou. I work as a baker and also I train people how to make bread in the community here, and other community also we receive apprentices. So we also make bread for the community where we distribute our bread from home to home, selling our bread with a very affordable prices. We started from $5, we have to $8, we have to $10, we have to $15, we have to $20, and the $25, just to make things very affordable for people living within the community and outside the community. So this is our mission as a baker here. Yes, we were having a bakery in our compound long ago. Now, at that time, I was not a baker, and my father was not also a baker at that time, So I was going to school, and it was so difficult for me to pay my school. So this is how I entered into baking. I was just at the bakery making management, not even to bake, just to calculate, make sure everything is going well for the owner of the bakery, and I'll be paid a day or a month. So this is how I was motivated with the work that I was seeing. Sometimes I engage myself helping the bakers who are within that bakery. So I was very much inspired with what they are doing. Then I asked my brother, who was owning that bakery, controlling it. So I asked him that I want to also learn the skill. At that time I was very young. So I know it's going to be beneficial to me with my education also, which is very hard for me when I work as a baker. I can get something to pay for my school fees. So this is how I engaged myself to be a baker because of the hardship. Sometimes things force you to get into things that you don't even ready to be. So this is how I was inspired, and I was so much in love of the baking because I believe also I can get something to boost my education. So this is how I started learning the skills until I started to get understanding of how to make the bread, how to make the dough, how to make the baking, something like this. Till I mastered it, then I was also employed. I was able to pay for my school fees. So when I finished grade 12, it was also very hard for me to get sponsor and other things. I said to myself, I think I have to go to the bakery again to work for myself, find some money, go to the college, or maybe go to the nursing, because my choice at that time was to study nursing. But things were so hard with me. So I go back to the bakery, work there for 6 months until I was able to keep some money for myself, for my college in the nursing, just a basic nursing. Then I went to study nursing for almost 2 years. So there are a lot of things I passed before I was able to master this skill and today become one of the bakers. So I wanted to proceed also to go to the high level in the nursing, and still things were so difficult for me. I looked for a lot of sponsors I could not have. So within those struggles, I met a white man. So he is also a baker from Switzerland. He came to the Gambia to train people how to make bread. As I has already started how to make bread and order locally. He lost a phone at Tangier. I helped him to discover the phone. This is how we get to know each other. So he introduced himself to me, and I also tell him who I am. He said to me that he's a baker. I said, wow, I'm also a baker, but a local baker. So this is how we exchanged contacts, and he invited me to their training schools. So this is how I went there. I find things was so modernized, so equated, so nice. So I said,